The Calavesi are one of the three traditions of Wintermark. According to the Scops, they were born from the feathers of a flock of crows scattered on the marshes of Calavesa. Regardless of the truth of this claim, they and their Suak cousins have lived in the northwest since before written records, perhaps predating even the Turunial Empire. They joined with the Suak and the Steiner to defeat the Trolls, and continue to claim the fog-shrouded marsh territory of Calavesa as their ancestral home. I am Matt, and this is the Orcs Planet, and tonight I wish to share with you a brand new piece of costume that I have made for a Calavesi player at Empire LARP. The person that I've made this costume for actually has no idea it's on the way. It's all a surprise for them, organised by myself and their partner. They've been quite vocal on the fact that they are not particularly a fan of all of the costume they wear, and I thought it would be really nice to make them something that they will be proud of. Something that is really on brief and speaks to what their character is. They just so happen to be a content creator, and a lot of the stuff they make is based on Empire, so it was very important that the costume that I make for them is so on brief that it hurts. It's got to be something that can be used as an example to new players who have never played this game before as to what Calavesi look like in particular. I really hope that they will love what I've made them, and after seeing this they'll be really excited to wear it at each event. Thank you very much to Helen for letting me organise this, and thank you to Steve for being our recipient. I hope you're very happy with your new piece of costume, and as I said, that you will be very, very excited to wear it. Thank you very much for watching, have a wonderful evening, and I will leave you with some more words from the Empire LARP wiki. The stereotypical Calavesi is mystic, peculiar, and wise. They wear homespun wool, fur, and leather clothing, and love to decorate themselves with feathers and semi-precious stones. Their colours are the colours of the marsh: earthen greys and browns, smoke grey, moss green, and the occasional bright flash of colour. Bedecked with totems and fetishes whose meaning is often deeply personal, they often cover their heads and hide their faces with peculiar masks evoking the power of a favoured spirit animal. They are always watching, considering, weighing, dreaming. They are the last to speak, but their words echo with insight and wisdom.